Let's take a look at the new natural language feature in Text Kernel by Bullhorn Search and Match. Your specific environment may look differently depending upon how the UI is configured, but you'll have the search bar and you'll have your facets. Facets are a great way to build up a search query. Same thing with the search bar. The only drawback there is sometimes picking the right semantic search term might require some complex syntax. And so what we're doing is providing a natural language feature here on this search input bar so you don't have to know all of those details. So let's take a look at how it works. I start typing. It is going to continue to suggest the semantic search terms that are best fit potentially for what I'm typing. But what I can do is I don't need to really know the semantic search syntax as well in order to get good search results. So I'm going to look for Java developers living near New York City who did not work for Google. And what I can do is, the new feature here is I can generate a search. And this is going to use the power of a large language model, and it's going to look and take that natural language and map it into the concepts that we understand from the search index. So you see the recent positions, that's been extracted as a semantic query term. You see the location, that's been extracted, and you see the last employer to be excluded from the search results. So that's easier to use than having to type that out into the bar. Now, as I said, there are certain concepts that are understood, and we have, if you go over to our documentation, under the natural language search section, you'll see the list of concepts that are understood by natural language search out of the box. And you'll see it's quite an extensive list. We understand employers, we understand education levels, we understand when people are available, we understand the different types of skills, we understand, as you saw, the location as well. So that's pretty good. Now, there might also be other concepts in the way that you work, some specific types of information that you maintain that are not out of the box. That's okay. If you want to add those things, then we can have our custom services team engage with you on a paid basis, potentially add that to your environment. So we hope you'll enjoy this and find this as a powerful new addition to using Text Kernel Search and Match.